afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. And
Yes,
yourself?
by God's grace, I'm blessed. Is it Mr. Inti Prince?
Yes, please.
Yeah, Mr. Prince, you are talking to Mr. Derek Nyako.
Okay.
I'm calling you from MTN head office, Osu, Accra.
Okay.
Please, MTN, we are celebrating our 30th anniversary promo
Okay.
for some of our great loyal customers on their service.
Okay.
And this very day, your number has been among of our lucky winners.
Okay.
That is why we've called you, Mr.
Okay.
So, Mr. Inti, can you remember the last day you buy credit to your number, and then how much did you recharge?
Okay. I bought it. Is it 1970?
1970.
Yes.
So please, since you've been on MTN up to date, has MTN awarded you before?
Yes.
What do you want?
Aeroplane.
Pardon me?
Aeroplane.
Jimmy Ford is a worry.
Where you born to? Where you born to?
John.